Hello and welcome to Elite Geospatial. Today we're going to look at how to install plugins on QGIS. You will agree with me that the plugins in QGIS are arguably the most treasured or visible strength of QGIS. But to be more precise, the architectural structure that allows unlimited development of plugins to be integrated into QGIS is what makes it stands out. So we're going to look at how to download this plugin. So when you launch your QGIS, you will be able to see some of those tools around here. And most of the times, sometimes you may not see this, but the plugin is somewhere here, so you just click on it and then you click on manage and install plugins. So it's as simple as that. So you go to manage and install plugins. So we have all, we have installed, we have not installed, we have upgradable, and then we have install from zip. Install from zip, let's say I made a plugins and I sent it to you. So it has to be on zip for me to be able to install it directly. Alright, so I can just browse and then bring the zip in and then install it. Alright, then upgradable, these are some of the plugins you've installed already that needs to be upgraded. So you can do that by clicking on upgradable and then you see update. See, upgrade all. You can upgrade all. You can upgrade just one plugin. So if I want, I'll just upgrade all of this. So all these ones that are upgradable will be upgraded within the time frame of this. So they are installing. So all of those that require upgrade have been upgraded. So if you want to install, basically you go to all. From this all, you just look at all of them. So you can look at them one by one and pick out. Let's say you don't have a specific plugins that you have in mind, so you just look at them one on one. Then you begin to see those that maybe are aligned to what you want to do and all of that. When you've gone through, you know, see, you can easily also search for it. You can just come to, let's say web. Let's see anything web. You'll be able to see some quite number of plugins. So if you have a direct name of the plugins, if you have that, you let's say 3D, let's see, you will see there are quite number of plugins. So you just need to go through it. Let's say cadastre and see. See, we have cadastral extractor, we have cadastre here. Now I'll click on install plugin and then that is all. So it's quite easy for you to install as many plugins as possible within the whole frame of QGIS. And that's it from me today, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. But don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.